To Inbox Info Solutions. About full stack development. Full stack development refers to the practice of developing both the front end and back end of a web application or software project. A full stack developer is responsible for building and managing the entire tech stack of a project, including the database, server-side scripting, client-side scripting, and user interface. The front end of a web application is what the user interacts with directly, and includes the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that create the user interface. The back end is what powers the application behind the scenes, and includes the server-side scripting languages like PHP, Ruby on Rails, or Node.js, and the database where data is stored. Front end. Front end refers to the client-side part of a website or application that users interact with. It involves designing and developing the user interface, including the layout, color scheme, typography, and user experience. Front-end developers use various technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React, Vue.js, or Angular to build web pages and web applications that run in a web browser. Backend. In computer programming, the backend refers to the part of a software application or system that handles the processing and storage of data, as well as the logic and functionality that supports the application's front-end user interface. The backend typically includes a server, a database, and an application programming interface, API, that allows the front end to communicate with the server and database. Developers working on the backend of an application often use programming languages such as Python, Java, Ruby, or PHP, and may also use frameworks such as Django, Spring, or Ruby on Rails to build the server-side components. Backend developers may also work on tasks such as optimizing database performance, implementing security measures, and managing server infrastructure. About database. In full-stack development, a database is a crucial component of the backend system. A database is an organized collection of data that can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. The database stores data in a structured format, and it can be used to store various types of data such as text, numbers, images, videos, and other multimedia files. The database is responsible for managing the data and ensuring that it is organized and easily accessible. It is used to store, retrieve, and update data, and it can be accessed by various components of the backend system, including the application server, web server, and other backend services. Thanks for watching.